Hey, Emily, ready for another thrilling day of high diving?
Absolutely, Maya. I can't wait to soar through the air and make a perfect entry into the water. It's such a rush.
I couldn't agree more. It's exhilarating to dive from such heights and execute those complex maneuvers. Have you been practicing any new dives lately?
Yes, I've been working on perfecting my inward double somersault. It requires precise control and a strong tuck position. It's challenging, but I love pushing myself to achieve higher difficulty dives.
That's impressive. I've been focusing on my twisting dives. The twisting triples have always fascinated me. The key is to generate maximum rotational speed while maintaining stability in the air.
Wow, twisting triples require exceptional strength and coordination. I admire your determination to master them. By the way, have you been incorporating any dryland training into your routine?
Absolutely. Dryland training is crucial for building core strength and enhancing body control. I've been doing trampoline exercises to improve my aerial awareness and simulate the dive sequence. It helps me execute the twists and somersaults more precisely.
That sounds like a great idea. I've been working on my flexibility as well. Stretching exercises have become an integral part of my daily routine. It helps me achieve a more streamlined body position during the dives.
Flexibility is key indeed. It allows us to achieve those graceful lines and execute flawless entries. Speaking of entries, have you been practicing different entry techniques?
Definitely. I've been refining my rip entries, focusing on making minimal splash. It's all about entering the water smoothly and reducing the impact. It takes precision and body control to accomplish that.
I completely agree. A perfect entry can make or break a dive, and minimizing the splash is essential for scoring higher. It's all about achieving that beautiful, seamless transition from the air to the water.
Absolutely, Maya. High diving is not just about the physical aspect, it's also a mental game. Keeping calm and focused, especially when standing on that platform, is crucial. How do you manage your nerves?
It's definitely a challenge, but I've been practicing visualization and relaxation techniques. I visualize myself performing the dive flawlessly and use deep breathing to stay calm. It helps me maintain composure and perform at my best.
That's smart. Mental preparation is just as important as physical training. It's amazing how high diving challenges us physically, mentally, and emotionally all at once.
You're right, Emily. That's what makes it such a thrilling sport. The feeling of conquering our fears and executing those dives with precision and grace is truly rewarding.
Well said, Maya. Let's go out there and show everyone what we're capable of. Today's practice will bring us one step closer to reaching new heights in high diving.
Yeah, you're right. Let's dive in and make it count. Here's to an incredible day of pushing our limits and soaring through the air like the high divers we are.
Hi, Sarah. Great job at today's swim practice. Your strokes are improving. How are you feeling?
Thanks, Coach. I'm feeling good. I've been working hard on my technique and endurance.
That's excellent to hear. Consistency is key. Remember, a strong foundation leads to better performance in the pool. Speaking of which, how are you managing your pool time outside of practice?
I've been doing some extra laps during open swim hours at the pool. It's helping me build my stamina and refine my stroke technique.
That's fantastic, Sarah. Taking advantage of extra pool time will definitely give you an edge. Have you been practicing your flip turns as well?
Yes, Coach. I've been focusing on my flip turns and open turns. I'm trying to minimize the time I spend underwater during the transition.
Excellent strategy, Sarah. Efficient turns can make a significant difference in your overall race time. How about your breathing technique? Are you comfortable with bilateral breathing?
Yes, Coach. I've been working on bilateral breathing during training. It helps me balance my stroke and build endurance by evenly distributing the workload between both sides of my body.
That's fantastic to hear, Sarah. Bilateral breathing is crucial for maintaining a consistent rhythm and oxygen intake. Keep it up. Now, let's talk about your race strategies. Have you been practicing your starts and finishes?
Absolutely, Coach. I've been practicing my dive starts and my explosive finishes. A good start sets the tone for the race, and a powerful finish can make all the difference.
Well said, Sarah. Remember, a strong start can give you an immediate advantage, while a well-executed finish can help you touch the wall faster. Keep refining those skills. Lastly, how are you managing your rest and recovery?
I make sure to listen to my body and take rest days when needed. Recovery is just as important as training. I also stretch and use foam rollers to prevent muscle tightness and injury.
That's a smart approach, Sarah. Taking care of your body and allowing it to recover is crucial for long-term success. Keep up the good work, and I have no doubt you'll continue to excel in the pool. Now let's get back in the water and continue working towards your goals.
All right, guys, it's time to kick it up a notch. The Olympic Games are just around the corner and we need to be in peak form. Let's make every training session count.
Absolutely, Jake. This is what we've been working towards all these years. The Olympics are the ultimate stage for us to showcase our skills and represent our country with pride.
I couldn't agree more, Tom. This is the opportunity of a lifetime and we need to seize it. We've trained tirelessly to reach this level, and now it's time to give it everything we've got.
Remember, team, our success depends on our ability to work together as a cohesive unit. Communication in the water is key. Let's start with some passing and communication drills.
Good call, Jake. We need that seamless connection in the pool. Quick, accurate passes and effective communication will set us apart from our competitors.
And let's not forget about our conditioning. The Olympic Games are demanding, and we need to be in top physical shape. Let's focus on our endurance and stamina during our training sessions.
Absolutely, Mike. Water polo is a grueling sport, and we need to be able to maintain our intensity for the entire game. Conditioning drills like swimming sprints and treading water will be vital.
Agreed. We also need to hone our shooting skills. Accuracy and power are crucial in front of the net. Let's work on our shots and techniques to ensure we can score those important goals.
And let's not neglect our defense. We need to be strong and disciplined in protecting our own goal. Tight marking, steals, and shot blocking drills should be a priority in our training.
You're right, Mike. Defense wins championships, and it will be a deciding factor in our Olympic journey. We need to be able to shut down our opponents and frustrate their offense.
And we know we can rely on each other. We've built trust and understanding, knowing that our teammates will be there to cover our backs and make those crucial passes.
That's what makes water polo such a special sport. It's not just about individual talent. It's about the collective effort, the synchronized movements, and the unity that drives us forward.
And when we stand on that podium, hearing our national anthem play, we'll know that every sacrifice and every moment of hard work was worth it. It'll be a memory that lasts a lifetime.
The Olympic Games are the pinnacle of our sport, and we have the privilege to be part of it. Let's soak in every moment, cherish every opportunity, and give it everything we've got.
All right, let's hit the pool and make today's training session count. The Olympic Games are within our reach, and together, as a team, we'll make our mark in history. Let's go for gold.